Hello everyone, I'm pleased to announce the release of my new book, Wooden Wonders, Traditional Malaysian Fishing Boats, published by UTM Academic Press, and it's based on months of field work in Malaysia, both peninsular Malaysia and in Sarawak on the island of Borneo. And in this book I describe traditional boat building techniques, the connection with boats and community, and it's a mixture of an ethnographic study and an engineering and marine surveying study. I did a survey with some colleagues at the university on a traditional boat and have a lines plan in here that I share and some other interesting information. I'll put a link below on that links to a lecture I did last Monday with the university on this book that goes on kind of that length. So I hope you take a look at that and enjoy this little study of these boats. And these boats are largely made from Chengal, which is a rot-resistant and shipworm-resistant wood. The techniques are really interesting in many ways. They don't use fasteners. They use, and there's some technical terminology used here, but they use dowels or trunnels that connect the planks together. So you have this monocoque-style construction where the shell is built and carries a lot of the weight of the boat, and there's that kind of technical thing that's discussed in here, which is a big part of it. And it's a tradition in its twilight years, and this is a attempt to capture some of that. So I hope you enjoy that. And I'll just because I can do other things here on YouTube. I had some other lines plans I had done for Malaysian boats at the time. There's one and some colorized versions too. So these are sort of my takes on so the next generation sort of 15 to 20 meter Malaysian fishing boats with different designs for them, so I thought I'd throw that in there. But anyway, I hope you find the book interesting and take a look at the lecture on the link below, and I give some interesting insights. Really enjoy the people part of it, both dealing with boat builders and fishermen and the people at the University of Technology Malaysia, whose help I greatly appreciate. And I thank you for your interest in the topic.